In our last video, we just scratched the surface of the T-Embed's amazing Wi-Fi capabilities, but today we're going all in. Get ready to explore every single Wi-Fi option in detail. We'll be breaking it down, all the specifics you need to know to truly master your T-Embed's wireless power. So let's stop talking and start exploring. We are at the Wi-Fi menu, and here we find several options. Connect Wi-Fi allows you to connect your T-Embed to existing Wi-Fi networks. Wi-Fi AP access point lets your T-Embed create its own Wi-Fi network, which other devices can connect to. Wi-Fi attacks. This submenu contains tools for network testing and security research. Inside, you will find options like target attacks, beacon spam, youth flood. Target attacks to perform various targeted attacks on Wi-Fi networks or devices. Beacon spam, flooding the area with many fake Wi-Fi network names, which can be disruptive. Youth flood. This performs a deauthentication attack used for security testing to temporarily disconnect devices from a Wi-Fi network. Evil portal, for setting up captive portals often used in phishing or network testing scenarios. Listen TCP, for listening for TCP connections, useful for network debugging. Client TCP, to act as a TCP client and connect to other services. Telnet, for connecting to devices using the Telnet protocol. SSH, for secure shell connection to remote systems. GPO, likely a tool for reconnaissance, exploitation, or disruption in Wi-Fi networks. Raw sniffer, for capturing raw Wi-Fi network traffic, useful for in-depth analysis. Scan hosts, to scan for active hosts on a connected network. WireGuard, for setting up WireGuard VPN connections, enhancing your network's security and privacy. Bruce Gotchi, I think this is how you name it properly. My English is not great, so I apologize if sometimes I can come up with new words or weird words. This is a tool within Bruce firmware primarily used for automating the capture of Wi-Fi handshakes, which are crucial for auditing networks security. Config, specific configuration options for the Wi-Fi module and its functionalities. And here, as you can see, from this menu, you can also return to the main menu.